Enemy UAV detected. Hostile LDBR drop detected. They're taking C.
I'm not sure if you notice. That lag is my first time encountering it on this laptop. Well, this time is like multiple times already, but I never encountered this prior to this BIOS update.
Securing Alpha.
The latest BIOS update from MSI broke my laptop.
Taking A.
Okay boys, story time. There was an update, a BIOS update on this laptop. It was on December 5th.
Requesting recon.
I always see it in the MSI Center. When I click update, it goes to the Windows updates. As we MSI users know, there's the way we can update our BIOS. But the problem is, every time I go to the Windows update, nothing happens, not there. So I waited, and this January, I just saw the update on the Windows update. So I was happy because I have been having problems. This coming soon to the. I'm sorry for the day of the video. I was gonna upload the video, then this problem happens. Anyway, when I updated the BIOS, everything seems to be fine. I've been playing what I've been playing usually, but I noticed something. When I start playing Black Ops 7 on extreme settings or in performance, I just encountered the same lag you saw on the video, on the first of the video. And I was wondering what's happening. Maybe my RAM or VRAM is full, so I restarted. I did the same thing and happened again. Then I thought about something. I said, maybe it's my fan. I turned the laptop off. I let it cool down. And I opened the back. And wow, this is what I saw. I said, okay, this makes sense. Maybe this is the reason why it's happening. But FYI, my laptop is only 3 months old. And in my old laptop, I never encountered this. I just opened my laptop a year after. But this for a 3 months old, it's too much. So I clean it. I make sure there's nothing in the ventilation. Everything seems to be fine. It's working great. I put it back. Then I open the laptop. Everything seems to be fine. And I run BO7 again. And right away, I saw the spike of the CPU. It went again to an 80, 90, then 100. And I encountered the same problem after an hour of gameplay. Definitely doesn't make any sense. So I start searching. And I noticed some people having reported a similar problem. They're saying, yeah, they receive heat. A lot of people advise, yeah, just buy a cooler. A lot of people saying, just undervolt your laptop. In my brain, why do I need to do that? My laptop was working perfectly before the update. Everything seems to be fine, even though you see my video that I uploaded, all of them, the CPU was 65, 70, 75. All of it is great. It doesn't make any sense why it's doing this now. So I start searching, and a lot of people seems to be having the same problem. And this is happened after the latest update, the 116 BIOS update. And oh my god, it doesn't look good, MSI. Look at the hardware information. You can see it spiked up to 103. And the watts for the CPU, this is my first. So I'm pretty sure I remember I opened hardware information just to check what's the wattage of the CPU. You remember I said, yeah, the maximum is 55 watts. Thank you for the one of the comment of my previous video that I don't know anything about watts. He said it's a maximum of 170. Thank you. So for a game, it reached 83. And not that only. Look at this second picture. The GPU, sorry I didn't highlight it. The GPU reached the maximum of 199. This is on my last run, just today. I just decided to just upload this video because it doesn't make any sense. So I believe the reason you saw the glitch in the beginning of the video is both the CPU and GPU reach above 300 watts that the AC cannot no longer sustain it, and it disconnected. So the only way I can fix it is by disconnecting my AC and put it back. Then it will run again. So the only way I can play now is just by changing my performance to balance, and it maintain it the my heat up to 80 to 85, but it's still reaching 90. So the troubleshooting that I already did is I reflash the BIOS 116 because I've been having more problem prior. When I refresh it, the AC disconnection was lessened. I thought it was gone, but it came back. So I did the BIOS reflash, the same problem. So honestly, I don't know what's happening with this laptop. I was excited. I love this laptop, but on this latest update, oh my MSI, I start to hate you. But I hope they fix it soon, because if this problem started December and until now nothing's happening, I think they need to check what's going on. And not the specific model I'm having, they're encountering the same problem. So other people with the lower version of the CPU encountering the same problem as well. I'm pretty sure this is a BIOS thing. I hope it is only a BIOS thing that they can fix. But if it's something else, I'm not really sure. So I'm planning to send it back. I'm just waiting. I thought it's already been fixed when I reflashed the BIOS. But I'll keep monitoring and see what's going on. I just want to go to show this video. Hopefully people will have the same experience, I'm hoping. Let me show you what's happening here. I'm playing BO7. Look at this window. Let me zoom in. Look at the heat on the lower right. You will notice I'm already on 99 degree. This is on the CPU alone, and it's only using 60 to 45. Look at the lag. Look at the spike of the watt of the GPU. It went down to 22. It was on 120. And here's what happens. And suddenly it's just light. So I need to remove the AC in the back. So when I remove it, suddenly it's starting to go back. Then I put it back in. Then the wattage will spike all the way back to 120. So suddenly, I'm pretty sure they did something. I'm not sure what. I hope they can fix it soon. So yeah, boys and girls and everyone who have this laptop that I love, but they start to make me mad. Enjoy this video. I hope I can help. I hope somebody can confirm that I'm not going insane. I'm not the only one having this problem. Yeah, see you in the next. Hopefully I'm almost done with the second video, but I'm just waiting to finalize everything on the review of this laptop. But just a hint, it was good until this problem just came up. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next.